Hello and welcome to our 6-minute guide on how to make money from cryptocurrency in 2023 as a beginner. I am your host and today we will explore the world of cryptocurrency and how you can get started with Binance, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Let's dive in. First of all, you should know what is the cryptocurrency. Basically, cryptocurrency is a digital asset. Think of it as a digital money like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's stored in digital wallets and can be used for various transactions. And also, you should know why you invest in cryptocurrency. Reasons to invest in cryptocurrency include potential high returns, decentralized nature, and accessibility. In 2023, it's a great time to get started. So here are the ways to make money from cryptocurrency. The first one is the buying and selling on Binance, and also some other websites like Binamo.com, like Forest.com. The top coins of the markets are BTC, Ethereum, BNB, and XRP. The rates of these coins are given here. You just see here. You should know the latest news of cryptocurrencies. You should know the latest prices of Bitcoin. You should know the latest prices of Ethereum. For this, I will suggest you go to the Google News. Now let's focus on Binance, one of the top cryptocurrency platform. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Here, how you can get started. First of all, you should know what is Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency platform where you can buy and sell your cryptocurrencies, and also you buy here dollars. To get started on Binance, first of all, you have an account. But if you have not an account, you just create it on Binance. First of all, you should sign up on the Binance account before starting trading, buying and selling in cryptocurrency. Head to the Binance website and click sign up button, which is also named as a register button. Just click on this button. After clicking on this button, fill in your details. Like you just click on continue with Google and attach your Google account with it. Verify your identity by submitting necessary documents. This ensures the safety of your account. Also enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. So let's see how to buy your first cryptocurrency. Now let's make our first cryptocurrency purchase. So for this, you just click on a buy crypto button and you just choose now let's make our first cryptocurrency purchase. Deposit your funds on the Binance website. Go to your Binance wallet and deposit some funds. You can use a bank transfer, credit card, or other payment methods. Select a cryptocurrency you want to buy. For beginners, Bitcoin or Ethereum are good choices. Here it is. Bitcoin BNB and also Ethereum is ETH. Here it is. Here are the two tools that I say. Enter the amount you want to buy and place your order. You can use market or limit orders based on your preferences. Security is vital in the crypto world. Here, how to keep your investment safe. Consider using a hardware wallet to store your cryptocurrencies safely offline. Stay updated with news and trends in the cryptocurrency market. Knowledge is power. First of all, I will show you where you updated your news like cryptocurrencies. You just search on Google News, and here it is Google News. Just click on Google News. After clicking on the Google News site, you will see here is the page. Just click on search box and write here cryptocurrency, and here it is the suggestion Google gave me. So just click on the button, and after clicking on this button, you will see here are the top news about cryptocurrencies. You just read all the articles day by day and keep your knowledge up to date. Finally, let's talk about selling and profiting. Regularly check the value of your investment on Binance. When you are satisfied with your profits, you can sell your cryptocurrencies on Binance. In the previous some minutes, I asked you to buy some cryptocurrencies and wait for many months, and then sell this coins on again Binance and make profit. But if you want to make money on Binance without investment is the case where you don't want to invest any money in any website. So here it is. First of all, Binance referral program is the program where you can earn a lot of money in dollars without investing any dollar. And there you have it, a beginner guide to making money from cryptocurrency in 2023 using Binance. Remember, it's important to do your research and invest wisely. Cryptocurrency can be rewarding, but it also carries risks. Thanks for watching and happy investment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more cryptocurrency tips. See you in the next one.